Hi everyone, today I'm going to show you how to change the transmission fluid of Honda Civic manual transmission. The drain plug and the fill plug is on this side, so I will try to change the transmission fluid without using any lift, just removing the tire. Let me see if I can access this or not. You need a 19mm socket to release these lug nuts, a jack, and the handle just for lifting the car. First, you need to release the lug nuts when the wheel is on the ground. Just loose it, do not take it off. Then lift the car up with the jack and remove all these lug nuts and release the wheel from the car. So the wheel came off, and as I have mentioned that we can do that without using the jack. Here's the example. This is the drain plug, and here is the fill plug. There it is. So this requires 17mm and this one requires 3/8 driver. You need to remove the fill plug first, and then you need to remove the drain plug. And to catch the oil, you should have a oil catcher like this, so that the oil should not get spilled on the floor. Okay, so the attempt got failed, so I had to go underneath of the car. This is what exactly happens as usual with me. I try to find a shortcut, but it never works. So yeah, so I'm going to open that plug from underneath of the car. Okay, so I'm losing this bolt. It's the filler cap. I should take it out. Okay, yeah, so this is coming out already. I have already messed up my new blanket. I'm gonna wash it today, but now it's time to break the drain plug. You could see it's already draining something. So let me put this one like this. Let's break the drain plug. To break the drain plug, you just need this one. And put it here. Okay, need to adjust. I'm trying to hold this in my one hand and trying to break this drain plug bolt. It's too tough if you don't have proper gadgets. It's okay, let me see if it went through. Okay, I think I'm good. Yes. So another moment of being flooded with the old transmission fluid. 3, 2, 1, go. Fuck. Can you see this? Still draining. We'll be holding this position for a while. It's still dripping, still draining. We'll wait for some more time. So it's the time to fill it back. Those who doesn't have the Honda genuine transmission fluid, you can use this one because this one is also recommended. You need to make sure that you put this as a manual transmission fluid, not the automatic one. Do not put the automatic one because it's not gonna work, okay? To fill the transmission fluid, you need this pump, and I got this one from Harbor Freight. It's about $7 some change, which means like within $8 you will get this pump, and it's still boxed. I need to unbox this pump. So check the in and out properly. So this out part should go to the transmission and in part should go inside of the bottle. So I have opened this. It's still a seal pack, but you need to hold this pipe in one hand and pump it from the other hand. So I cannot shoot this because both the hands will be occupied, or rather I can try to do like this way. I don't know. Yeah, it will be too tough to show you, but yeah, I can show this in that way, that this pipe is already inside of the transmission and it came to the pump. It's in the inside and the out part is here, and this will go to the bottle. So I would do one more change probably here, or may not be, that I'll change this hose, but this hose is better because it has a better diameter inside. So let's do it quickly. I need to level the car, which means I need to take the jack a little bit down so that the car will tilt towards the passenger side and some more fluid will come out in that way. Okay, so the drain plug is back in the position, and the fill plug is still open. Okay, so this is filled. You need to fill it till the fill plug overflows. So when it started overflowing, I just put the 17mm bolt back on the place. Now I just need to tighten up, that's it. So this is done. I just need to take all these tools out of the way. I need to put the tire back on again, and that's it. Thank you so much, whoever have watched this video up to this. Please like, share and subscribe my channel, and see you in the next video.